second video where we'll dive more into the Fedi application. Let's get right into it, shall we? In the previous video, we discussed how to download the Fedi application. And in this particular video, I'm going to dive right in and open the app and see what happens. So once you open the app, you'll be presented with this welcome screen. And this welcome screen is pretty important because this is where you'll be able to create a wallet or restore access to existing wallets. You have two buttons and you can click on the first button, get a wallet. We're going to press that. We have a new screen that we've never seen before. For those familiar with your Lightning wallet, like Blink or Wallet of Satoshi, in this particular wallet, you will not be able to do the same thing. However, you will be able to do much more. First, let's explain what is a federation. Every wallet will need at least one federation. The federation is the home for your personal wallet. This is where all your Satoshis or your Bitcoin will live. Now let's dive into those three buttons: discover, join, and create. First, I want to dive into the create button. This is where you can create a public or private federation. You can do so by yourself or in an assisted way using a Gbot for a fee. The next button is join. This is where it gets really interesting. When you press this button, your phone camera will open up so that you can scan someone's federation QR code or paste their invitation link. That person or group's QR code will most definitely be a person that you know way more than the complete stranger at your local bank. The next and last button is the discover button. This is where you join an existing public federation. We call that a third party with no exit, because you don't have any other way to take your money out if the bank shuts down. And in this particular case on this app, using the federation allows you to engage into what we call a third party with transparent exit. What that means, to put it simply, is that you have the key to exit with your money at any time. So in this particular case, let's go ahead and press join on the Orange Club Africa. You can pick any federation, any public federation of your choosing, but for the sake of this example, we're going to choose Orange Club Africa. Once we do that, we land on a welcome screen from the Orange Club Africa. Hit the accept button and let the magic happen to create our wallets. Next, we're going to press continue on this screen where it's showing us our display. We will tackle that in just a moment, where we'll be able to change our name. Now, hold your horses, because unlike many other wallets, you're not done. Although this process took about 60 seconds, it's only a slice of the whole cake. So I will explain those things really quickly for you. There are three more buttons next to the wallet button at the bottom. Focus on those. First, let's start from the one on the left, your community. Thankfully, there's already a Fedi community to welcome us. Now, let's press the chat button. This is where you and anyone else can chat and discuss DMs, group chats, and not only that, we can also pay each other instantly for free or extremely cheap, as well as make use of this new feature called multi-spend. We'll review that later. Let's press this last button that looks like a PlayStation controller. It's the mini apps button. It's where all the tools to power your daily life reside. It's like a phone within a phone with apps inside. We'll tackle that in another video where you'll learn how to do things. Remember when I said we'll change that name soon? Well, let's do that right now. Press that profile button on the top right corner, then edit profile and change your name. Hit the X button to exit. And now you're back to the community button, which is the home screen. In the next video, we'll review each of those four buttons at the bottom more in depth so that you can make the best use of your Fedi app. That's it. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.